Welcome back to our new video. Today I'm showing you how to fix that annoying unknown format or damaged message in WinRAR. When you can't extract a file, let's get started. Say you've got a zip file you need to open like this one, but WinRAR keeps throwing that error. No worries, we will sort it out fast. First, what you have to do is open Google Chrome or your browser of choice and search for 7-zip. Click the first result. It should be the official site. On the 7-zip download page, pick the version for your system. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll grab that one. If you are on 32-bit, choose accordingly. Download the setup file, then run it. Follow the prompts to install. Just takes a minute. Once installed, find your zip file you want to extract, right-click it, and then click Open With. Here we click Choose Another App and find 7-zip File Manager in the options. Hover over and click it. Give it a second, it should work smoothly now. Now you're inside, there's your extracted file. That's it, super simple. Hope this quick fix helped you out. If it did, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.